Hey guys, welcome to another morning or day of digital learning from Miss Ivory's class. Today we are going to be learning about the relative size of the metric system. Last week we learned about the standard customary system, and so what we do this week is very much the same process as last week, but different units of measurement. It's a whole new system. It's called the metric system. And we're going to get busy on that. It should take us about 10 minutes, and then you'll have some practice questions to do on Google Classroom. So let's start here with length, your anchor chart, how long something is. Our benchmark measurements for length are the millimeter, centimeter, meter, and kilometer. Millimeter is about the width of a dime. So look right here, the width of a dime. A centimeter, your benchmark, is about the width of your pinky. A meter is about the width of your door. And a kilometer or kilometer is about 2 times around a track or a 10-minute walk. Now let's look at mass. Mass is the measure of the amount of matter in an object. There's only 2 that we need to learn. Gram, which is about the mass of a dollar bill or a paper clip. So I have a paper clip here. And if you were to think of this paper clip, it's about a gram. And the other one is a textbook or your kilogram. And I have my math textbook right here. And this is about 1 kilogram, which is close to 2.5 pounds. So think of this as your benchmark for gram, and this is your kilogram. And then our last metric unit is liquid volume. So think of a drop from an eyedropper as a milliliter. And a liter, think of a bottle of water or a single-size serving of soda that comes in the bottle. Okay? So these are your benchmark measurements that we're going to use today to answer these questions. All right, so this is measurement of length. We have a ladybug, and we're going to measure the height of our ladybug. So let's think about 30 centimeters. Remember, a centimeter is the width of your pinky. So if I had 30 centimeters, would that be about the height of a ladybug? Too big, right? How about 5 of them? 5 centimeters? I think that's still too big for a ladybug. They're small. 10 centimeters. How about 7 millimeters? That's like having 7 dimes on top of each other. I think that's going to be our answer. Let's click it on. Let's click it and let's check our answer. We got it right. Very good. Now, let's go to the next one. We'll do like 2 more and then we'll move on. A skateboard. All right, so we're doing this, the length of the skateboard. Skateboards are kind of long, aren't they? So let's think. 3 centimeters, 1, 2, 3 of these, 3 pinkies? No. 2 meters. Remember, a meter would be like the width of my door. 2 of those side by side. That's too big. 30 centimeters? 30 of these? Maybe, but 80 centimeters, 80 of these. What do you think? I'm going to go with 80. Let's check our answer. Yes, we got it right. One more problem. All right, let's look at the stove, the height of a stove. Okay, 5 kilometers. You remember what a kilometer is? It's like 2 times around the track or a 10-minute walk. That's too big. 60 centimeters. Remember pinkies are centimeters? So if we stack 60 of these, that was like a skateboard, wasn't it? So I think it's going to be bigger than that. 10 centimeters. If we stack that 10 times, that would, no, that would be a tiny stove. 1 meter. We said 1 meter is about the width of a door. You think your stove is more like a width of a door, the height? I think so too. So let's try. And let's check our answer. Yes! And we got that one right. All right, let's go. And that was metric length. So let's go do metric weight. Let's do about 3 problems together. And we're going to click on this one. Oh, a big screen TV. Now remember, we're talking about the weight, not how long it is. 1,000 kilograms. That would be like 1,000 textbooks. Or 20 kilograms. Or 100 grams. Remember we said a gram was like, oh, paperclip? You think 20 of these? No. How about 100? No? Okay. Let me hear you tell me what's the answer. You think it's this one or this one? This one or this one? I'm going to say 20 kilograms because this is about 2.5 pounds and a TV is not over 2,000 pounds. So let's check our answer. Yay! Good job. Let's go to the next one. Skateboard. Okay, not the length, but how much does it weigh? About 2 textbooks. Remember, that's our benchmark. 15 of these? Or 200 grams, 200 paper clips? Or 20 grams? What do you think? Tell me. All right, I hear a lot of you tell me 2 kilograms. Let's try it. Let's see if you're right. Yay! Good job, guys. Very good. All right, let's go now and practice some problems for capacity. Let's go find capacity right here. And let me scoot down here and go to here. All right. Caleb filled up his thermos with soup. Do you think it most likely holds 300 milliliters or 300 liters? So a thermos, think of 300 eyedroppers full of soup or 300 of these to make 1 thermos. What do you think? I hope you said milliliters. Let's check our answer. Yay! You are right. Let's think about the volume of your kitchen sink where you put your dirty dishes and you clean your dishes. Is it most likely 20 liters or 20 milliliters? So let's think about our benchmarks. 20 liters like this, if we take 20 of these to fill up the kitchen sink, or 20 milliliters, 20 eyedroppers. Would that fill up your kitchen sink? All right, let me know what you think. Okay, I think you said liters, so let's go for it. You got it right. You guys are awesome. So you guys are ready to go to Google Classroom and click on your classwork tab and find your assignment for today. And you will only have, I think it's 4 questions, 2 or 4 questions. And that's it. You're done with math. Good job. And I'll see you tomorrow.